Well, you cemented over it. Too.
But she loved to play in the trees here.
You got rid of all the trees, remember?
Oh, what have I done? Hal, I need to see my best buddy Hal. Oh, Hal's doghouse. Thank goodness it's still here.
Yes, it is.
Hal, come on out, Hal. Hal? Wait, where is Hal?
He moved away when you turned his doghouse into a storage room for your toys. That wasn't very nice. He really liked that house.
No! Wait a minute. What about the Scratchets? Bob, Belinda, Tiny Tim? Did they ever come back?
Well, no one knows what happened to the Scratchets. They never returned. None of the animals did.
No animals, no trees, no friends.
And this is what happens when there are no more nature heroes.
Tell me, Spirit, is it too late? Can I change all of this? What do I have to do to get my friends back? To get nature back?
The answer is... Well, looks like my time is up.
Wait, Spirit, I want my friends. I want nature. What do I do?
Sorry, I'm off duty. Goodbye.
Wait, Spirit, don't leave me alone. Spirit, where are you? What is Christmas, Spirit? I really thought I knew. Thought that it was wrapped in gifts and stuffed in stockings too. Why is it so far away? Why can't I find the reason? How come I can't catch that spirit of the Christmas season? Christmas spirit, don't you care? Christmas spirit, fill the air. Christmas spirit, please come through. Christmas spirit,